So what's good, guys? What's going on, everybody? Salute. Appreciate y'all for tuning in for today's new video. I'm J.A. We're gonna be taking an early look at the upcoming Yeezy Slide Glow Green, which are the next Yeezy release, rumored to be dropping coming up this Monday, September the 6th. So big shout out to Yeezy, but huge shout out to the Wanted app for making this early look happen. Wanted is my go-to app when looking to buy or sell sneakers. If I miss out on a drop and I'm looking to cop on the secondary market, Wanted conveniently compares the prices between the top reselling platforms. And not only that, you can place bids directly through the Wanted app, making your life super easy. So I've got a link for the Wanted app in the description. Check it out, it's free to download. And big shout out to Rick over at Team Wanted for sending out this package. I know what's inside of it, but we're gonna open it up together and then I'm gonna give you guys the backstory on what's inside of here. So I'm super excited to have this in my personal possession, guys. Shout out to Rick. He told me his man G-Man and Risk hooked him up with tickets to the show. So he had VIP passes, which right here you have the glow-in-the-dark VIP spaceship identification card. The glow-in-the-dark tour was one of Ye's first iconic tours, a very game changer in the music game. Now, you got the ticket right here, which was at the General Motors place in Canada, row 1, seat number 15. And then he told me that he got to go backstage, he got to meet Ye. Rihanna was on tour. He said Chris Brown was backstage just skateboarding, just on some real chill vibes. So Ye, of course, signed this picture. And what's really interesting, a funny fact that he told me is that this is actually Ye's old signature, which was like the bear that you guys are familiar with from the College Dropout, and apparently he no longer uses that signature. So big shout out to Rick, salute the Team Wanted, happy to be a part of the team, and thank you for sending this over. Definitely gonna find a nice spot here on this back display to have this joint set up. All right, so let's get into these slides. Now, when I first heard Yeezy Slide Glow Green, my first impression was crazy. We're about to have some glow-in-the-dark Yeezy slides, but unfortunately, these joints do not glow in the dark. The green glow is just used to describe the color, which is a very bright neon green color. First impressions, I was like, these look close to the resin, so we'll go ahead and compare them side by side, and then I'll give y'all my final verdict. Now, the Yeezy slides are very popular in today's footwear. Now, if you never owned a pair, they're extremely comfortable. The material is an EVA foam. They have a lot of cushion. And on the back heel, you got some support, and then you've got some traction on the bottom. The design is very minimal, but high fashion, futuristic. When these first dropped back in 2019, the reception wasn't too great towards this sneaker, and they sat on Yeezy supply for quite some time, but people came around, and now resale prices are somewhere upwards between 3 to 5 times the $60 retail price. So in my opinion, it feels like there's almost 3 versions of the slides. The first Yeezy slides that dropped in 2019 were very soft, while the releases that dropped in 2020 seemed to be a little more stiff, took more time to break in. And now these newer releases that have dropped in 2021 feel like they're a lot more soft and somewhat more comfortable. The only problem is that Yeezy has changed the sizing up on us once again. Now, the original Yeezy slides that dropped did run small, so you had to size up. But on this newer batch of Yeezy slides, they run even smaller. So the Yeezy Slide Glow Green will fit the same as the slides that have released this year, like the Orange and Flame and the restocks. So these joints run very small. I would recommend to go ahead and go 2 full sizes up. Now, the Yeezy slides only run in half sizes, so if you're one of those people that fall in between half sizes, just go ahead and go a size and a half up. But if you're right on the dot, You can go ahead and go 2 full sizes up because these joints run extremely small, and especially if you plan to wear these with socks, go ahead and do 2 full sizes up. So originally the Yeezy slides came in all earth tone colorways, so you had shades of off-white, tan, brown, green, but now it seems like they're going with these more vibrant colors. So recently we got the inflamed orange, now we got the green glow, which are very appropriate for summer. The brighter tones give you different options to play with when it comes to your color palettes for your outfits. When you got these more bright, vibrant colors, it's better to just, rock with earth tones and let the colors speak for themselves. So according to Influence Visions, the Yeezy Slide Green Glow will be releasing coming up this Monday, September the 6th, retailing at $60. They will be dropping in full family sizing, along with restocks of the Yeezy Slides in the soot, as well as the pure colorway. So the Yeezy Slide Green Glow is gonna be a very difficult cop. Not only do everybody want these, the colorway I think is a little more favorable amongst the general consumer versus the inflamed orange, but coming in at that lower retail price of $60, the resellers are gonna be out to get these joints. There is a high margin of profit. So if you happen to miss out on copping these joints for retail, I would suggest to cop these at the lowest price possible on the secondary market, usually about a week or 2 after the drop, rather than comparing prices through the various different reselling apps. Just go ahead and download the Wanted app. That way you can compare all the prices at your fingertips. And not only that, Wanted has a digital inventory. So once you cop the shoes, you can go ahead and scan them right into the app and add them to your digital inventory. That way you can keep track of everything that's in your personal collection. So some of you guys may already own the resin colorway and may be contemplating if this is actually a necessity purchase or not. So before we head out, let's go ahead and compare the two. Of course, right here you got the resin colorway. This is my OG pair versus the green glow. So obviously the glow is a lot brighter on the green glow pair versus the resin, which is gonna be a lot more dull. So when I first saw these, I figured they would be very similar, but looking at them side by side, the green glow has enough character to make you go ahead and purchase. Plus, if your resin pair is getting a little beat like mine, the green glow is definitely a good upgrade. So dropping coming up Monday, September the 6th, we got the Yeezy Slide coming up in the green glow colorway. They're also gonna be restocking the core colorway as well as the soot. So let me know in the comments, out of these 3 colorways dropping soon, which one are y'all checking for the most? For me personally, all of these are possibly a pass, but if I can go ahead and cop the soot pair at retail, definitely looking to add those joints to the collection. So salute, thank you to everybody for tuning in for today's video. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, and once again, make sure you guys download the Wanted app. Link is in the description for the best app currently on the market. So stay safe, stay blessed, guys, and I'm out, y'all.